Westermans here with a machine which has just arrived, which is a Swift Pro 3000 CNC plasma machine. As you can see, the machine has not done anything, or very little. The machine has a width of 1600 and a length of 3000. It has a Hypertherm 45 plasma. The bed itself is single phase, and also comes with a Typhoon fume extraction system. All the ducting is there present to connect straight to the back. Controls inside. And there's your connection for the extraction system. For more details for this and other CNC plasmas, please look at westermans.com, where you can request prices on machines available. Also, we do a selection of MIG, TIG, column and booms, sub-arc, rotators, positioners, orbital welders, and obviously machine tools. Shipping can be done worldwide or UK, or you can range your own collection if required. Like I say, look on westermans.com for more details. Thank you for looking.